Hey guys, how you all doing? How you all doing? So this morning I got an email, and I probably didn't read it right. Right, it just says there's a new, and I thought you were saying is there, but there's a new Diggz Xenon 3 V6 up running, but he had a question mark on it, so I wasn't too sure. But I've checked it. There is a version 6 out for Xenon 3, so now you guys can all download it now, so that's great stuff. It's got about 6 pages, not 6 pages, let me one, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah, 12 menu pages or 12 pages. Yeah, so there you go. Right. God, no, remember before, or yesterday it was disabled, and now he's updated it. So have a go, try it out if you haven't tried it out before. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.